And we'll get it underway with Draisaitl lining up against Parker Kelly for the opening face-off. It's the Oilers and the Avalanche, and quickly whistled in. Sam Girard out of the reach of Kiviranta, having a career year. He's up to 11 goals on the season. In front, a quick chance and a save made by Skinner. Parker Kelly had a good look. Avalanche move in. McKinnon shot deflected away by Bouchard. Martin Necas scored twice last night in the win over Calgary. Shot by McKinnon. Tough left pad save made by Skinner. Drops it off for Kasperi Kapanen. First he bobbled it. Then he whiffed on a potential wrist shot. Kapanen back to Draisaitl. Curled it in front. And then McDavid robbed point blank. The blocker got over Louis from Blackwood.
Couple great chances. This is the forecheck. Beautiful pass by Draisaitl. McDavid. Guys will be representing the four countries and the four nations.
Skinner to John Klingberg. Dangles and shoots into a crowd. It's loose. And Blackwood able to freeze it. 5 for 17 on the power play with Necas. Here's Artturi Lehkonen. Back to Cale Makar. McKinnon is shot and scores. Fooled Skinner, beat him 5-hole. 1-0 Colorado. Nate McKinnon, the leading scorer in the league, with his 21st goal of the year. Oiler power play brought to you by Play Alberta Sportsbook. Draisaitl wins the faceoff. Nugent Hopkins, Hyman, Bouchard, and McDavid. And here's Draisaitl burying one upstairs to tie the game. Just 6 seconds into the power play. Draisaitl, his league-leading 39th, and it's 1-1.
Well, the two guys that are going head-to-head in the scoring title this year. What you do, I can do. For the Avalanche, this is really short work of this power play, and it's been struggling a bit lately, Jack. Hasn't really been firing on all cylinders. This is a shot mentality. Bring the puck to the net quickly. A nice face-off win. Nugent Hopkins threads this one right onto the tape of Draisaitl.
Bouchard has just been scorching, Louis. That's now 19 points in his last 20 games. Here's Skinner driving to the net with Janmark right there. Taves takes over for Colorado. Here's McKinnon building speed, gaining, dishing. Makar, a shot, scores. 2-1 Colorado. Cale Makar goals on back-to-back nights in Alberta. Got one in his hometown last night. And his 21st puts the Avalanche back in front 2-1.
McKinnon. Taves makes this play, eludes McDavid around the net, but once McKinnon gets this puck, he just takes off. And for the Oilers coming back, nobody really recognizes that Cale Makar is in that dangerous position. They're all watching Nathan McKinnon. They're all watching the center drive to the net, and rightfully so. He draws a lot of attention to himself, but you can't leave Makar open.
He darts in from the right-hand side. Taves, by the way, will get the second assist on the scoring play that gives Colorado the lead once again. First period has been by far the Avalanche's weakest. Kapanen over the line. One-timer, not much on its hand. Corey Perry shovels his own rebound home, and it's 2-2.
Talking now, 440th career goal. Transitional play. He's the one that starts in the middle. Is that outlet pass, little drive down deep by Kulak to Kapanen, and then back to Perry, who follows up his first chance on the backhand side. A little bit of a knuckler here, and this eludes the glove of Blackwood. Doesn't allow him to have a clean save. And then Corey Perry, as he's done his entire career, keep going to the net. Good things happen. And shovels that one home on the backhand side to tie it. This is going to be a good one.
Here's Lehkonen. Necas under pressure from Janmark, slings one on the net, save made, rebound. McKinnon fought off by Skinner, hopped over the net. Necas turned over, and now Connor McDavid streaks it on Blackwood for the lead. No! Blackwood makes the save. Really entertaining first period. McDavid denying on a breakaway. And pitchforked out by Corey Perry. Caught over the shoulder by Taves. That was a heck of a play to put it in for McKinnon. And from one-timer score! Lehkonen buries the go-ahead goal to make it 3-2. But Taves started that all, Louis, with a remarkable grab on Perry's dump-in.
Yeah, and put it right up to McKinnon. Once he had it, he put the Jets on once. First chance against him because great board work by the Avalanche. There's the knockdown with the glove you talked about from Taves, and then right up onto the tape of McKinnon. And for Lehkonen, now extends his career high to 12 goals on the season. with a beautiful finish up over top of the blocker. I mean, he picked that corner perfectly. Look at this little flop pass, if you want to call it, but it happens in motion, happens in...
Bouchard up to McDavid. Dishes off, Ekholm skates into a drive, and that pinball free. And here comes Colorado. Nate just doesn't mind pace, gives it up. Makar to the net, and he just missed high glove. What a play just to get it to his forehand. Who allowed 3 goals on 12 shots, not since the season opener against the Winnipeg Jets has Stuart Skinner not finished a game. Leon Draisaitl to Nugent Hopkins. Draisaitl. Bouchard, one-timer ripped, save made, rebound, another stop on Zach Hyman. And Mackenzie Blackwood comes up with his best work of the night to keep it 3-2. Protecting that line, bumped up to Bouchard by Pickard. Telegraph the back pass, picked off, Kelly in front, Makar short-handed, shoots and scores! 4-2 Colorado. The steal by Kelly, the finish by Cale Makar, his second of the night and 22nd of the year.
Right down Main Street and had a higher quality shot, but he elects to pass it off. It gets turned over, and then here, just on his drop pass, it's a great read. It's a great read. You see that with every power play trying to load up. The second wave is what comes down the ice. And Parker Kelly, with a nice pick off, finds Makar, who sneaks in, and he made short work of that short side shot up over top of the glove of Kelly.
Failed in his bid to get that puck down the ice. Now it's Matthias Ekholm. Corey Perry around to Skinner. Perry backs his way in. A save made by Blackwood, and the rebound trickles through. Jeff Skinner stays hot. His 4th goal in 6 games. It might have been Perry's initial shot. Did it squeak through without Jeff Skinner?
He jumped in there, but it was Skinner that sets it in motion. Good battle won here, little give and go. When Jeff Skinner gets this puck, though, the last couple of times he had stood back and kind of waited to look for that either shot opportunity and a one-timer, but he takes this one to the net. That's taking the space I'm talking about. If it opens it up, get closer to the net. Nice little dish down to Perry, and he jams it. And yeah, it is going to be Corey Perry's goal. Skinner was around it. Right here, I thought he reached it and poked this, but it actually goes off the defender. And
feeling the back pressure, tried to center, and Draisaitl picked it off. Looking for Taves. Draisaitl read it, made the interception, and now Nugent Hopkins. Spin move on Necas, crossing. Draisaitl, beautiful move, a shot tonight. Rebound, score from his knees. That's 40. Tie game.
Yeah, this is just effort here by Leon Draisaitl. He scores this one from his knees. It's a great move inside. Now it's Nugent Hopkins and Draisaitl instead of McDavid and Draisaitl. Maybe looking for a little bit of a different matchup in the second 4-on-4 pairing, but Leon Draisaitl makes short work of this one. Great job to get the first pass from Nugent Hopkins, make that quick move to the inside. One shot, not his knees.
McKinnon's pass intended for Taves. So if you're looking for the Selke double, there's your blueprint. Arvidsson stop. Picked off by Cale Makar. Shot free to Colton, just out of the reach of Logan O'Connor. He'll sprint into it, pull up, shoot, and a save made by Pickard. You had barely sat down, and all of a sudden you were packing up, and it was time to go.
Maybe a little too aggressive.
Here's that goal. Sending it in deep, Jonathan Drouin. Here's Hyman. Trying to get through Malinsky. Shrugged him off, went cross ice with it, tipped away. And now you've got 2-on-1. McKinnon and Kiviranta. McKinnon loads and fires, and a save made. Calvin Pickard. Centering pass. Necas buries it. Set up by McKinnon. 5-4 Colorado.
Saved by Pickard on the first opportunity right there. Just a good stick by Necas, who's the one that's eventually going to score this goal. He's the one that breaks up that play in his own zone, and then everybody just drives right back. Kiviranta drives right to the goaltender, stops in there. All 3 guys for Edmonton around looking, and McKinnon, with his 4th point, finds Necas, and he buries that one short side.
5 seconds. What a job by Colorado. Draisaitl centers, and it's picked off at the horn. O'Connor with the steal, and that Reserves a 5-4 victory for the Colorado Avalanche.